For today's AutoCAD quick tip, I'm going to be talking to you about a little known feature on editing a polyline, basically deleting segments of a polyline without having to explode it. Because historically, if you don't know this command or this little trick, I should say, if you wanted to, let's say I want to delete this arc on this polyline, this is just a randomly drawn polyline. If I wanted to delete that segment here, most people explode the polyline, then delete what they need, and then rejoin what they need to do. But if you just simply hold your control key down and then go select the segment that you want to delete and then hit the delete button, you will have the ability to delete just that segment. Again, hold your control key down, select the segment that you want to delete, and then hit the delete or even the erase button, and it will proceed to erase that. Everything else is still a polyline. They're just not one entity, of course, because they're not joined. But as you can see, let me select that. These are polylines here. So I hope this helps, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.